Ever wonder how some people retire with millions in the bank? Even if they never had a high-paying job, the secret isn't a winning lottery ticket or a lucky stock pick. It's a 401k. A 401k is a special company-sponsored retirement account that allows you to save and invest a portion of your paycheck before taxes are even taken out. Imagine an average person working at a desk, living a normal life, and transitioning into a peaceful, comfortable retirement by a sunny beach. That is the reality for many millionaires next door who simply use their company's retirement plan. Let's break down exactly how it works. First, let us talk about the magic of employer matching. This is literally free money. Your company offers a 401k plan. They will often offer to match a percentage of what you put in. For example, they offer a $4 match up to 4% of your salary, and you contribute 4% of your paycheck. Your company will automatically drop another equal amount into your account, doubling your money instantly. That is a 100% return on your investment before the money is even invested in the market. However, make sure you understand vesting. Vesting is like a progress bar of ownership over those matched employer funds. If your company has a 3-year vesting schedule, you might have to stay at the company for 3 years to fully own the matched portion of the money. If you leave early, you keep all of your contributions, but only a portion of the company's match. Next, you have to choose your tax path, traditional versus Roth. This is one of the most important decisions you will make. With a traditional 401k, you get tax savings today. Your contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning they lower your current taxable income. So, you pay less in taxes this year. However, when you withdraw that money in retirement, you will pay normal income tax on the withdrawals. A Roth 401k is the exact opposite. You contribute with after-tax dollars, so you do not get a tax break today. But when you retire and withdraw that money, every single dollar you take out, including all the investment growth, is completely 100% tax-free. This means if your account grows to $1 million, you get to keep all of it. Now, let's explore the true superpower of a 401k, the power of compound interest. Think of compound interest like a tiny snowball at the top of a snowy hill. As you roll it down, it picks up snow, getting larger and larger, until it becomes a massive, unstoppable boulder. That snowball is your money, and the hill is time. The earlier you start, the longer your hill is, and the bigger your snowball grows. Let's compare to people. Person A starts saving at age 25 and puts away $300 a month. Person B waits until age 35 to start and puts away the exact same amount. By the time they both reach retirement age, Person A will have nearly double the wealth of Person B, simply because they started 10 years earlier and gave their money more time to compound. It is about consistency and time, not about being rich. Even small monthly contributions can grow into a 7-figure fortune over 30 or 40 years of steady investing in diversified index funds. So, how do you take the first step? Here is your action checklist. First, check your eligibility with your employer's HR department. Second, decide on your contribution percentage, aiming for at least enough to get the full employer match. Third, choose between the immediate tax savings of traditional or the tax-free growth of Roth. Finally, pick a diversified investment, such as a low-cost target date fund or a broad market index fund. Take the first step today and watch your future self thank you. Today.